What if I told you that just 30 sentences could change the way you speak English every day? Stay with me because today we are diving into those magic phrases that make English easy and fun. So let's begin. तुम्हारा दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? मुझे थोड़ी देर हो गई. I got a bit late. I got a bit late. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? तुम्हारा ये आइडिया काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है. Your idea is quite interesting. Your idea is quite interesting. मैं कुछ नया सीखना चाहता हूँ. I want to learn something new. I want to learn something new. तुम्हें इसके बारे में क्या लगता है? What do you think about it? What do you think about it? मैं कल तुम्हें फोन करूँगा. I will call you tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. हम कब मिल रहे हैं? When are we meeting? When are we meeting? मुझे तुम पर भरोसा है. I trust you completely. I trust you completely. तुमने अपना काम बहुत अच्छा किया. You did your job very well. You did your job very well. आज का दिन काफी बिजी था. Today was a very busy day. Today was a very busy day. मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए. I need some time. I need some time. क्या तुम इससे समझ गए हो? Did you understand this? Did you understand this? ये थोड़ा मुश्किल लग रहा है. This seems a bit difficult. This seems a bit difficult. चलो अब मिलके काम करते हैं. Let's work together now. Let's work together now. तुमने आज क्या किया? What did you do today? What did you do today? मुझे तुमसे एक जरूरी बात करनी है. I need to talk to you about something important. I need to talk to you about something important. मेरे पास थोड़ा वक्त है. I have a little time. I have a little time. क्या तुम मुझे समझ रहे हो? Do you understand me? Do you understand me? मैं इस बात को दोबारा सोचूंगा. I will think about this again. I will think about this again. मुझे तुम्हारा इंतजार था. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. क्या तुम्हें मेरी मदद चाहिए? Do you need my help? Do you need my help? मुझे तुम्हारा जवाब चाहिए. I need your answer. I need your answer. ये बहुत आसान लग रहा है. This seems very easy. This seems very easy. मुझे ये समझने में थोड़ा वक्त लगेगा. It will take me some time to understand this. It will take me some time to understand this. तुम इतने चुप क्यों हो? Why are you so quiet? Why are you so quiet? तुम्हारे बिना सब कुछ अलग लगता है. Everything feels different without you. Everything feels different without you. मुझे इस पर विश्वास नहीं हो रहा. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. मुझे अभी ये काम खत्म करना है. I need to finish this work now. I need to finish this work now. तुम्हारी बातें सुन के अच्छा लगता है. I feel good listening to you. I feel good listening to you. मुझे कुछ नया करने का मन है. I feel like doing something new. I feel like doing something new. क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you upset with me? Are you upset with me? मुझे कुछ वक्त अकेले रहने दो. Give me some time to be alone. Give me some time to be alone. तुम्हारा ये फैसला सही है. Your decision is right. Your decision is right. तुम्हें ये मौका नहीं खोना चाहिए. You shouldn't miss this opportunity. You shouldn't miss this opportunity. मैं जल्दी वापस आऊंगा. I will be back soon. I'll be back soon. ये तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा होगा. This will be good for you. This will be good for you. मुझे तुमसे कुछ पूछना था. I wanted to ask you something. I wanted to ask you something. तुम्हारा जवाब सही था. Your answer was correct. Your answer was correct. मुझे तुमसे मिलके खुशी हुई. I am happy to meet you. I am happy to meet you. तुमने मेरी बहुत मदद की. You helped me a lot. You helped me a lot. हम इस पर बाद में बात करेंगे. We will talk about this later. We'll talk about this later. मैं तुम्हारा समर्थन करता हूँ. I support you. I support you. तुम बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो. You are doing a great job. You are doing a great job. हम कब तक ये काम खत्म करेंगे? When will we finish this work? When will we finish this work? मुझे तुम्हारी राय चाहिए. I need your opinion. I need your opinion. तुम्हें ये कैसा लग रहा है? How do you feel about this? How do you feel about this? मैं कल ये काम कर लूँगा. I will finish this work tomorrow. I will finish this work tomorrow. तुम्हारा वक्त निकल गया. Your time is up. Your time is up. मुझे तुम्हारी बात समझ में आ गई. I understood your point. I understood your point. क्या तुम इससे सुधार सकते हो? Can you fix this? Can you fix this? मैं तुम्हारी मदद के लिए हमेशा तैयार हूँ. I'm always ready to help you. I'm always ready to help you. तुम कितनी देर में वापस आओगे? When will you return? When will you return? मुझे अभी इसके बारे में नहीं पता. I don't know about this yet. I don't know about this yet. ये बात मुझे पसंद नहीं आई. I didn't like this. I didn't like this. तुम किस पर विश्वास करते हो? Who do you trust? Who do you trust? मुझे तुमसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी. I didn't expect this from you. I didn't expect this from you. क्या तुमने इसके बारे में सोचा है? Have you thought about this? Have you thought about this? मैं तुम्हारी सोच से सहमत हूँ. I agree with your thinking. I agree with your thinking. तुम्हें ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You don't need to overthink. You don't need to overthink. मुझे तुम्हारी याद आ रही है. I was missing you. I was missing you. ये काम अभी भी अधूरा है. This work is still incomplete. This work is still incomplete. तुम अपना लक्ष्य भूल गए हो. You have forgotten your goal. You have forgotten your goal. मैं ये काम अकेले नहीं कर सकता. I can't do this work alone. I can't do this work alone. ये सब तुम्हारी वजह से हुआ है. All this happened because of you. All this happened because of you. If you have learned something from this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.